Our tale begins in the realm of ancient Egypt, a civilization steeped in mysticism and a deep fascination for the afterlife. It was a land admired not just for its pyramids and hieroglyphs, but also for its philosophical thought that delved into life, death, and the beyond. The Egyptians viewed death not as an end but as a doorway to a different realm. They saw it as a transition into a new existence beyond the confines of mortality. After death, they believed one embarked on a journey transcending the physical world and entering an eternal existence. To aid this journey, they built elaborate tombs, adorned and intricate, serving as a celestial gateway for the soul's journey into eternity. These tombs were not mere burial grounds, but launch pads for a soul's voyage into the infinite. Their belief in an afterlife was so entrenched it shaped their actions and traditions. But why did they harbor such a strong belief in the afterlife? Could they have known something that we don't? Fast forward to the Middle Ages. This was a time shrouded in mystery, a time when the world was far more enigmatic than we could possibly imagine today. The earth was flat, and the seas were believed to be inhabited by mythical creatures. At the heart of all these mysteries were the alchemists, these clandestine practitioners of esoteric knowledge. Their craft was viewed with suspicion, and yet it held a certain allure. They were the philosophers of their time, the scientists, the seekers of truth, their primary quest, the elixir of life, a potion to grant immortality. This was not a simple brew, rather a symbol of man's insatiable quest for eternal life. It represented the human yearning for the eternal, the divine, a yearning so powerful it drove these alchemists to the brink of madness. Locked away in their secretive laboratories, they toiled day and night, experimenting with all nature had to offer. They were often ridiculed, dismissed as dreamers lost in their own fantasies. But what if there was more to their pursuit? What if this wasn't just a tale of delusion and desperation? What if they were onto a secret, a hidden truth that could change everything? A revelation that could disrupt our notions of existence and, more importantly, our understanding of death. Were they merely chasing fantasies? Or were they onto a secret that could upend our understanding of death? Now let's turn our gaze to the present. Today, science is continuously wrestling with the enigmatic nature of death. Modern scientists, all their wisdom and curiosity, persistently probe into the complex world of the human mind. Neuroscientists particularly delve into the intricate labyrinth of the brain, a place where the essence of who we are, our very consciousness, is believed to reside. They are driven by a desire to uncover the hidden mysteries of consciousness, to decipher the codes of our existence. Their approaches vary from the most non-invasive techniques, functional magnetic resonance imaging, fMRI, to more invasive procedures such as electroencephalograms, EEGs. They are on a relentless quest for knowledge, aiming to lighten the shadows that have plagued human understanding for eons. Simultaneously, our world is also witnessing another fascinating scientific endeavor, cryogenics. It's a field that seems to have been plucked right out the pages of a science fiction novel. Cryogenics offers a tantalizing promise, one of preserving the body after death with the hope of future revival. This controversial technology is seen as a possible bridge between life and death, a means for humans to conquer mortality. But is this a genuine possibility, or is it part of a larger conspiracy to control our perceptions of life and death? And then, there's this curious case of near-death experiences. This phenomenon has long been the subject of debate and research among scientists, philosophers, and ordinary people. It's a puzzling enigma that has enticed many curious minds, bridging the gap between life and death yet remaining a mystery. Countless individuals across the globe, regardless of their backgrounds, cultures, or religions, claim to have caught a glimpse of the other side. They assert having experienced something profoundly unusual, something that transcends the ordinary bounds of human comprehension. These accounts are eerily similar, often encompassing extraordinary sensations such as floating outside the body, moving through a tunnel, or being immersed in light. What's more, these people describe emotional episodes of peaceful reunions with departed loved ones. Heartwarming stories of being embraced by the dearly, of soaking in their love and acceptance, are narrated with a surreal intensity that's hard to dismiss. The scientific community remains divided on this topic. The skeptics label these stories as mere hallucinations, products of a brain under extreme stress, or perhaps even the influence of certain medications. Conversely, others view these experiences as evidence of a deeper reality, an indication existence of an afterlife or a divine realm. Are these mere hallucinations, or do they hint at a deeper reality? The answer remains elusive, yet the question continues to fascinate us. Perhaps the most intriguing theory of all suggests that death is not an absolute end, but a transformation into a different phase of existence. This concept, while certainly enigmatic, has roots that dig deep into both the scientific and spiritual realms, leaving a trail that urges us to explore further. The intricate principles of quantum physics offer a glimpse into the possibilities. In this world, there is a peculiar phenomenon where particles can simultaneously exist in two contrasting places. This is known as superposition, a quantum theory that challenges our traditional understanding of reality. Take a moment to consider, if particles can be in two places at once, could the same principle apply to the human consciousness? Could our minds be capable of existing in two different realms simultaneously, one that we are currently aware of and another that we can only comprehend after death? Furthermore, quantum physics suggests that information can never truly be lost or destroyed. It only transforms and transitions from one state to another. This principle, known as the law of conservation of information, is yet another astounding of quantum mechanics. Could these principles of quantum physics be applicable to human consciousness? Could our minds, just like information in the quantum world, never truly be but instead transform, evolve, and transition into a completely different state of existence? Could death be not an ending but a transformation, a doorway to a new form of existence? This theory, while enigmatic and almost surreal, continues to captivate the minds of many and spurs an ever-evolving dialogue about life, death, and the mysteries that lie beyond.